Okay, well, I want to welcome everybody to Centennial Woods. My name is Walter Poleman. I'm an ecologist with the Rubenstein School of Environment and Natural Resources. And we're really just on the perimeter of the UVM campus at one of our 10 natural areas. And the natural area system at UVM is really a phenomenal teaching tool and also a research possibilities are endless with it as well, because for all the way from the shore of Lake Champlain to the ridgeline of Mount Mansfield, there are these areas that are set aside really to study natural systems and use them for education as well. But right here in Centennial Woods, this is probably one of our most visited, most beloved places. It's a little under 100 acres of forests and wetlands and trails. I'm really pleased that I'm here with my friend and colleague Chris Brooks, who approaches things from an environmental policy and management and law perspective. And so together we're hoping to learn from each other about this place and share sort of an integrated understanding, or at least an integrated introduction to this place for you all today.
Yes. So in terms of the human impact on the land, there's an extensive land use history here in Centennial Woods. And the way that Centennial Woods looks today is a result of really dynamic change over time, both in terms of the natural processes that are shaping the land and shaping the wildlife habitat and the types of plants and animals that we find here, but also in terms of the social processes and the impacts that humans have had on this place. Starting thousands, tens of thousands of years ago, indigenous Abenaki were present in Centennial Woods. And over the past few hundred years, there have been a myriad of different types of land uses on this spot of land. And in exploring these woods, you can find clues to past land use history. So the impacts to this area are really what happens in an urbanized watershed. This is not removed necessarily from the urban area around it. It is a part of a whole. And so when you're down here, you're going to hear birds. You're also going to hear trucks and cars and planes from the nearby airport. 40 or 50 years ago, administration officials started to become concerned with degrading this wooded area, and there was a start to push for conservation here. And that ultimately ended up in the issuance of a conservation easement, which conserves this land in perpetuity for us, for UVM faculty and students to come in here and study the landscape, and for the entire community to come here to recreate, to get away, to walk on the trails. It's a tremendous resource to have.
You know, Chris, I just want to say that thanks for bringing up changing land use history. I remember the first time I came here in 1993, this was an apple orchard right here, and now it's developed pretty much right up to the edge. Though I'm sure the people who live right there use this all the time as well. So yeah, let's head down to the brook and check it out.